Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life with 2024 31 Days of Smashbook Challenge. We are going to do day 9 and day 10 together. And the reason I did them together is because I like the page and I don't want to ruin the page and I want to cover the page and I liked how I could do it on the page. So I put them both on one page. So here we go. And the prompts for day 9 were movies, and the prompts for day 10 were TV shows. So I did this. Ain't that kind of cool? So, favorite movies. I'm going to start with them. And they're not in order as my favorite. They're just my favorite movies. I just kind of went and numbered them. But that, okay. Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring, The Two Towers, The Return of the King, The Hobbit. Pirates of the Caribbean, all of them. The Patriot, Mel Gibson, Heath Ledger. Anything with Heath Ledger in them. Top Gun Maverick. The Rock, The Notebook, Pretty Woman, Mystic Pizza, Steel Magnolia. Of course, The Breakfast Club. 16 Candles, Edward Scissorhands, Aquaman, Star Wars, all of them. The Bodyguard. One of my favorite all-time movies is The 8 Seconds, Luke Perry. Karate Kid, all of them. Alice in Wonderland with Johnny Depp. And every movie ever made with John Wayne in. Always. Favorite TV shows. Jump Street with Johnny Depp. CSI and CIS, Bones. Soap opera, Days of Our Lives. Dukes of Hazzard, Jag, St. Elsewhere. Remember St. Elsewhere? Makes you think. I remember watching that and I was little. Probably 10-ish. 48 Hours, Full House, Supernatural. Yes, indeed, and the 70s shows. That's are my favorite movies and favorite TV shows. I made me think because I went back, way back, like Jump Street. Oh my Lord. CSI. St. Elsewhere, way back, you know, and let's see, the only one let's see what's still on. I think I don't watch Days of Our Lives like I used to because I was a big Bo and Hope fanatic. I loved them too, and they killed Bo off. That was it. Let's see, Supernatural is no longer on. Full House is no longer on. I watched 48 Hours. St. Elsewhere has been long gone. Jag's no longer on. Dukes of Hazzard is no longer on. Bones is no longer on. NCIS is still on. But once Mark Harmon kind of left, I couldn't watch it anymore. Just like CSI. I loved when Grissom was on it. Once Grissom left, kind of lost its appeal to me. Jump Street's been long gone. Yep. But let's see. What DVDs and Blu-rays do I have? I have CSIs. I have the NCISs. I have the Bones. I used to have the Jag. And Supernatural, Diamond has, so I just borrow hers. Plus, you can watch Supernatural. I think it's on Netflix. So, there we go. That's my favorite movies and favorite TV shows. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.